What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and I've just posted this picture right here on my Instagram account, and I thought maybe you guys want to know how I edited this picture because it has a super vintage, distorted look, and I thought it was super interesting, and I just wanted to share the edit with you guys. It's a Lightroom edit. I'm doing it on my mobile phone with the free Lightroom app only. I just want to show you how to do it in this tutorial today. On this channel, I have many more videos like that, editing tutorials. Make sure to check it out. Most of you guys probably already know my channel. If you're new, however, I'd be super happy if you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell as well to not miss out on any of my future tutorials if this is something that you're interested in. And of course, if you have any questions regarding this tutorial or my Instagram pictures or whatever, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. I'm always open for conversation. I'm trying to reply as fast as I can. Now, I've also created a huge preset bundle for you guys with all of my presets that I do on this YouTube channel, so you don't have to watch all the tutorials. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's that all presets pack. And this tutorial, this preset that we're doing today, will now also be in the all presets pack. So to the ones of you who have the all presets pack already, you can already work with this preset, so enjoy. For the rest of you, let's talk about it right now. First of all, of course, we will need our smartphone, and I want you to open your picture in that free Lightroom app. So we open the app, then this is the picture that I've taken today and the one that I posted, but first, of course, we want to edit it. So what you want to do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right, and then I just want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So pull up the shadows on the bottom left side a little bit, and then just create a really steep curve leading a little bit towards the bottom right side right there. And once you've recreated this curve as it is right here, we're done. And then we want to boost up the exposure a little bit to plus 0.46 right here, and pull down the contrast to -7. Also pull down the highlights to -17 right here, and boost up the shadows to plus 26. Then the whites, again, we want to pull down to -43 or 42, and the blacks we want to boost up a little bit to plus 15 in this case to really get that washed out light. Then we go over to the colors tab, and here I want you to boost the tint a little bit to plus 13 or 14, and then we want to pull down the saturation to -10 or -9 right here. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix on the upper right, and for the red tones we don't want to change anything, but for the orange tones right here, I want you to boost the hue to plus 15, and then boost the saturation as well to plus 32, and leave the luminance as it is. Then the yellow tones right here, we want to pull down the saturation to -44 and boost up the luminance to plus 35. Then we go over to the green tones. Here we just want to pull down the saturation a little bit to -40 or -41, and then we're done with the colors. Now we go over to the effects, and we just want to pull down the clarity to get an even more dreamy look to around -19, and then also pull down the dehaze to -10 to get an even more dreamy look. And then of course that vintage washed out look, we need grain, pull that up to 48 is good. Then we scroll up and hit split toning, and this is where the final color touches are done. Now for the highlights, we want to pull over to a hue of around 60, and a saturation of 19 is perfect. So it's 62, 19, that's perfect. For the shadows, we want to pull over to a hue of around 136, that green area, and a saturation of 5 is perfect. So it's 134 and 5, that is perfect, and we are done here. Now this is it, guys. This is how I edited that picture I just posted on my Instagram. Here's a little before and after. And then of course I also added that print overlay. You see those fine lines. I've done a tutorial on that already. I will link it under this video as well, or just blend it into the info above right here. So if you want to know how to create those lines or just those overlays, check that tutorial out. But for the colors and the structure, we are done here. This is how I created it. I hope you're happy with the result. I think it looks super cool. Looks pretty real, actually. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll tune in to my next video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on the next video. And of course, if there's any questions or any new ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on my Instagram account. Steven Wommack is my handle, and I'm super excited to hear from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay healthy and stay creative. Peace.